Suppose we're given a triangle with three conditions. We're given a right angle, we're given one of the angles, and we're given one of the sides. Let's suppose I try this side here. I can figure out any one of the other two sides using this acronym here. We'll see that in place with question number 1. I'll start by labeling this triangle. I have my hypotenuse, which is my longest length. I find my angle and go as far from it as I can, calling this O for opposite, and whatever's left over, we're going to have A for adjacent. The two letters that I'm concerned with are H, which is what I have, and A, which is what I want to find out. So H and A together, over here, connected with C, so I know I'm going to be using my cos formula. I'll write that down. Cos of my angle, which is 60, is going to be equal to A, which I don't know yet, over H, which is 7. I want A by itself, so I'm going to take the divide 7 to the other side by timesing it by 7. So I have 7 times cos 60 is equal to A. I'm going to simplify this underneath. I know cos 60 simplifies to 1 over 2, so I have 7 multiplied by 1 over 2 is equal to A. 7 divide 2, which is 3.5. And that's equal to my adjacent. And I'll write that down here. Question 2, very similar. I'm going to start again by labeling the triangle. So I have H, my longest length. Find my angle, go as far from it as I can, calling this O for opposite. Adjacent's what's left over. The two letters I'm again concerned with are O and A. O being what I'm given and A is what I want to find out. That would be O and A together. On the left hand side is connected with T, so I know I'm using the tan formula. So I'll write that tan of my angle, which is 30, is equal to O, which is 5, divided by A, which I don't know. I want to get A by itself, so this will be a two-step process. I'm going to take A to the other side. So opposite of a divide A would be times A. So I have A times tan 30 is equal to 5. Second step, take the tan 30 to the other side. I have A is equal to 5 divided by tan 30. I can put that into the calculator and I'm going to get A is equal to 5 square root 3. Now you could get a decimal number or a normal number for this, but it would be wise to just leave it in this third form. And that's it. Hope you found it useful and thanks for watching.